In this video, I want to talk about how you can find your referral link on Webull. Now, for some reason on the website, it doesn't work most of the time. So what you should do is simply download the Webull app. And then what you want to do is just head over to the menu, click on Promotion Center, and in there you might find the Invite Friends or the referral program. Now, if you see these, it means that you can get your referral link. But if you cannot see those, it's because the event or the promotion that they're running where you can do it is not currently active. So if I go here and I go to promotion, you'll see that some of these promotions they're running you can do right now. But for some reason, sometimes you cannot have the Invite Friends promotion. So if you see here, this is a promotion they were running at one time. If I open it, you'll see I cannot do that. So for some people, as you can see this event as well, this event has ended and this is an invite one. But for some people, you can simply open up the app and see if you have the referral link inside of there. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.